Hello friends. I am glad to welcome you on my channel. I always have a lot of new reviews for you. Subscribe and like. Apple plans to release the second generation of its budget smartphone, iPhone SE, in the first half of 2019, according to the Chinese edition, Economic Daily News. According to sources of the resource, the iPhone SE2 model will be assembled exclusively by the Taiwanese contract manufacturer Wistron at a factory in Bangalore, India, where the first generation of the smartphone is currently being assembled. Similar information previously published website Focus Taiwan, which predicted even earlier dates for the release of iPhone SE2 on the market, the first quarter of next year. If we recall that the first iPhone SE was introduced by Apple just in this time frame, March 21, 2016, the assumption to release the update rather popular in developing countries after exactly 2 years looks quite logical. In turn, the Indian resource learned from insiders the technical specifications of the future iPhone SE2, Apple A10 Fusion processor, 2 GB of RAM, the choice of storage capacity between 32 GB and 128 GB, a set of 5 megapixel and 12 megapixel cameras, and a battery on 1700 mAh, in the first generation, 1624 mAh. But the design is likely to remain the same. Rethinking in the style of the iPhone X should not wait. There will be a lot of interesting information for you on my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and like. See you again on my channel.